So today's little video, very short one, we are going to be changing one of these bulbs. They various names, GU5.3s, they're 12 volt, and they just push into this type of connector, and you'll find them in the ceiling quite often in many homes or businesses. But we've got one that's broken and I'm going to change it. So today's video all about changing one of these bulbs, MR16s. I think they have other names. They're push fits, they're 12 volts, and I have one that doesn't work, so I'll turn the switch on. Most of them do, because I've already changed a lot and I've replaced them for LEDs. And I have one left up there that's not working. So off with the electric. Lights have all gone out. Now it's safe to change the bulb. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed if I can. They just pull out like so, and because they're push fit, get your thumb and finger, pull them out, you can see the push fit connector, and that's what goes into it. So let's get the new one. Swap them over. So there's the difference in new and old. Quite clearly, Seen Better Days, the one that's come out. So we're lining up those two spikes. As you can see, or hopefully you can see, so push it in. Before we go any further, I'm going to turn it on and see if it works. Yeah, there we go. That one's now working as well. I'll just push it back into its holder, and that'll be that. So putting them back in, you'll see there's a spring-loaded clip either side. And there's also grooves up in there either side, so you line the clips up with the grooves, push it until it clips in. There we go. I think they swivel in different directions, but these ones have been set in that direction, and we'll keep it similar. Yeah, there we go, all good. The lights are all working as they should. Very good.